my name is Michael Williams, and I would like a job here at Revature. And I've made a I made an interview practice. List three positive qualities about yourself. I am creative and artistic. I like to draw in my sketchbook about superheroes, their enemies, and their origin stories. I am hardworking, and I like to help others. Tell me about yourself, 2 or 3 sentences. I am a Daytona Beach native for 25 years. I graduated high school in 2015, and I recently graduated Daytona State College back in May of 2021. I am interested in creating characters for video games. Describe a time when you had to explain something to someone. I haven't done that one yet. Describe a time when you had to identify a customer's needs. I never had a job before. I've been focusing on college, furthering my education. How do you define customer service? Always treat a customer with respect and help the customer out the best you can. Describe a time when you went over and above expectations. Again, I need to work on that one. What accomplishment are you most proud of? Graduating college with an AS degree, associates in simulation and robotics. What have you been doing since your last job? Again, I never had a job. Tell me about your last job, volunteer work, or school project. I am volunteering at Halifax Hospital in the SPD Supply Package Deliver Department. I take I usually stack water. I take water pitchers and IVs from the storage and stack them on shelves. Tell me about a time when you struggled with something and how you dealt with it. My depression, before taking citalopram, I've been beating myself up and taking my anger out on people, not physically. Today, I'm still taking citalopram. I'm doing my best to stay positive. I need to work on this question, but why do you want this job? Talk about the job duties and why are you the perfect fit for doing these duties. Those who work at this is what I put from the website. Those who work at Revature must have a strong desire to learn to code. I would like to have this job to better my coding skills, specifically Java, Python, and Raptor. Why do you want to work here? The interviewer wants to hear why you want to work for your company. Find 2 nice things to say about the company, research their website. The first thing I found was a college that a college degree is required for Revature, either an associate's or a bachelor's. Currently, I have an associate, so I might be eligible. And and another segment about your site, Revature, is that you offer a life insurance policy and a mentoring program. So that way you guys can help me um um that way you guys can help me like understanding coding and how to make corrections. What is your availability? Mondays through Fridays. In the daytime. I like to work in the day. I'm not really a night person. On Saturday if I must. What are your strengths? Reading, stacking, being creative, installing apps like Google Chrome, researching, and I've also been using Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. One of my weaknesses is my anxiety. And I know I need to get out of my bubble in order to function in the workplace. Tell me about a time you dealt with a difficult person. During my high school years, my mother's car was in the shop, so we had to use Voltran. One day at the bus stop, there was a man smoking in front of us. I told him to go somewhere else or to stop smoking. I don't remember what I said. He started to yell at me. When my mother spoke up to him, he yelled, "I'm gonna smoke." Nothing became physical, and that was the last time I saw that man. Describe a time when you had several things to do. How did you prioritize them? Or share what you would what you would do. I need to add more to this one, but whenever I had a final exam, I would take a little break to go on my computer or watch television. That way I won't be so worked up. Because if I get frustrated, I'll mess up. Why should I hire you? I need to help my mother out with the bills. If we have to move, I'd have enough money to get a new house. Plus, I need to enhance my skills with coding and computer programming, as in get more experience. Do you have any questions for me? You can ask, what is the dress code? What type of training do you offer? What do you like most about this company? What is the goals of this company? Is there a room for advancement? How would my work performance be measured? And two questions I've added was, can I wear a mask instead of getting vaccinated? And the last one is, where will I be relocated if I have to be? And the last question is closed with, do you feel I possess the qualification needed for this position? Then be ready to address any reservations about hiring you. And ask, when do you plan to make a decision? When would be the right time for me to follow up with you? And that is all I have so far, and I need to work on it some more.